Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing like a pumpkin spice latte vibe. So a fall look for sure. I already have like my base and my brows done. Jaclyn, Hill, and Morphe. I have two of them, which are the two warm palettes, which I feel like kind of for sure scream fall. I'll dabble into her palette too, just because I feel like that's probably what's best. If I need some transition shades. Like I really like this. I don't know if I want to do an all matte or a matte with shimmer. I don't know if I want to do liner. I think I might do like a blown out look. I already have my lids primed and all that good stuff. If you see me like looking around, it's because I have a mess in front of me. I don't know where the things are. So it's really late right now, by the way. Alrighty. So first things first, I think I'm gonna go in with, I do not know. I guess I'll go in with Rush, which is this shade right here. We're gonna go in with a fluffy brush. I'm gonna use a Morphe M504. You have some brush cleanser that if I need to wipe something off, I totally will. Alright, let's go in with Rush. I've used this palette one time, and I literally probably used like 2 shades. Out of the palette, so far I think so good. I know there's been some drama with the Jaclyn Hill palettes, but I don't know. Like that blended out like almost effortlessly, like actually really easy. So go in with Smooth Criminal, and this is in the Armed and Gorgeous palette. Next, we're gonna go into Prowl, which is something even deeper. And by the way, I'm using the Sonia Kashuk brush and sponge cleanser. Just spray it and then just wipe it until it's dry, and it cleans it off pretty well. I'm actually gonna go also in with let's go in with Secure. This orangey shade here, and actually I'm gonna pop that like above to have like a hint of like the pumpkin in the pumpkin spice. I'm touching like super lightly, and then I'm gonna diffuse it up to the brow bone. Yeah. Okay, so then with that shade, that same brush, I'm gonna go in with Prowl. Then you'll go in and start buffing this shade. Okay, this is where I'm kind of running into problems. It looks patchy. Like that looks pretty. And I mean, it could be, I don't know. It could be that I have like dry lids, but back in with Secure. Yeah, that shade's actually kind of patchy, but and with the Morphe M167, which is just like a flat shader brush to kind of disperse this. And we're gonna go in with On Camera. My finger then on top of that, with my other finger, I'm going to use Guilt Trip right in the center. Guilt Trip is from the Armed and Gorgeous one, which is that more yellow gold, or more bright yellow. This is kind of like orangey gold there. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a blender brush and I'm gonna use Smooth Criminal. I'm gonna use this F-Boy lashes. I'm not gonna do liner for this look. I'm gonna add some mascara so that I don't have to afterwards blend my lashes with the falsies. These are from the baddieb collection. These are so fluffy. I don't know if they're my style. I feel really... I don't know if this is supposed to be... Oh my god. I'm gonna finish the lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with the shade Rush, which is that first shade that we start off with on the lid, and I'm just gonna buff that on the lower lash line. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy or dark on the lower lash line. I kind of want to keep it like that pumpkin-y color. I think that will be really pretty. So yeah, so far I like this palette. I mean, the only shade that I had trouble with was that darker shade, which I feel, honestly, maybe it's just me, darker shades like that, those matte dark brown colors are pretty hard to blend out, and I do probably have more like drier eyelids. I definitely think I have like some dry spots for sure, so that could be it too. I need to check it out just to see, but I'm bringing that color and connecting it to the color on the outside. I'm gonna go in a little bit with the Armed and Gorgeous one. We're gonna go ahead and just bronze up the skin. I'm gonna use the Anastasia contour kit. I'm gonna use these two shades mixed here. I'm gonna use, this is the Morphe R2 brush. And also, I am breaking out like crazy. I started taking this supplement to see if it's gonna help clear out my skin. It's just pretty crazy right now. Okay. And then we'll kind of bring that up into the cheekbone too, like the apples of the cheek, to kind of make it look like it's black. Next is gonna be highlight. This is the Proseco Pop, just to keep it with her vibes. And this is gold to kind of matches the eyelids anyway. I'm gonna go in with M510. With the Ultra, I think this is 951. 951. I don't have a lip liner because I need a lip sharpener, but this is the Ultra Satin Lip. I think that this is going to go good. Camera kind of turned off, but I just finished the lip. I think that this is like the perfect lip with this makeup look. Overall, I really like how it ended up turning out. I am pretty pleased with the Jaclyn Hill palette. This was also my first time using the Anastasia contour kit ever, and so far so good. I think this is a pretty good palette to have, and of course the lippy just satin lip are like one of my faves. But if you guys want to see just a video solely on my foundation, go ahead and comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. And I want to say thank you for coming back and watching again. I really appreciate it.